Hey guys, welcome back to Mini System Test 8 with the Firelight MS-4. As you can see for the devices today, we have the i3 as standard, we have the Wheel Lock NS, and for the pull station we have a Simplex 2099-9103. This is missing the break glass, but it works besides that. Alright, we can go ahead and start with the pull station in 3, 2, 1. And the NS is set to 110 candela. And we're going to go ahead and reset the pull station. And now we can go ahead and reset the panel. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and test the i3 just with the test button here. Reset button didn't work there for a second. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.